Hello, Harrison. I saw your internal memo, and you're right. The usual pace, process, and playbook won't cut it anymore. You need urgency, precision, and compounding momentum, not more meetings and maybes. That's exactly what the Tactical Reactor delivers. This isn't another CRM bolt-on or lead list. It's powered by enriched signals and adaptive AI briefings. It's a closed-loop command system that runs daily sales operations like a control room, fusing automation with human instinct. It gives your team three things. Think real-time debriefs instead of lagging KPIs. A daily dose of radiation. A curated pulse of opportunity. What to act on today, what to ignore, and why. Fallout report every evening. It closes the loop. Tracking outreach, quotes, conversions, and what moved the needle or didn't. The reactor isn't theoretical. It's already deployed in field tests and showing insane traction in B2B industries with similar profiles to yours. It respects the realities of manufacturing sales. Long cycles, technical buyers, and razor-thin timing. Chain reactions. Every action taken generates new intelligence. The system learns who responds, how fast quotes convert, which messaging resonates, so each rep gets smarter without more training. Kesla doesn't need more tools. You need a battle-tested system that sharpens over time. I'm Steve Hodges, founder of NeuClix, and I build business systems that actually work. Let's set up a short call. I'll show you how this would slot into your current stack and boost your lead to purchase order velocity in under 30 days. All my best. Steve Hodges, founder NeuClix. 727-744-7078. Talk to you soon.